unto the Lord. Give thanks, Father God, you know. And I, at all times, the Lord of the him and thought at all times, so many people. And I have veteran and I move different. When I do things with certain people, you know, remember, you know, I have to hold up my status and Chinaman is a role model to enough people, I know that. Because I remember one time gone people from up in the country, you know, some comfort castle, we up some country place where you used to hear about this Chinaman car. In that time, the 1 and 2 people used to come downtown, and when them come downtown, them see the style and the cushion. Because you know, cushion better than pattern, you know, because you use a cushion, you see me? And so then some big man tell me say they used to come downtown just to know me, just to know this veteran, this China man. You know, some man tell me that, man. Enough man see me and tell me so one time they just come downtown to know me. And when they come downtown, I see me, they tell me, youth in a famba. Sight? Youth, daddy. I tell you, you know, man, you know youth. So good member, I said. Yo, black people watching the man would call up so you to make every man know some veteran up front for the veteran reasoning. Veteran talk, history talk. Laugh and talk. You know, yo. You know it. So, it's a jumbo youth this. It's a everyone friend this. Chinaman born and grow out of Prospect. Jantown, my born, you know. Yeah, my born up, want to see, me I do the thing there with Sheffield, but up, I say, come on, yard, my born. Me no born up at the low hospital, you know. Yeah, me never born at the low hospital. Yeah, no found no born up there. Me born a yard, I must say, that's why I'm so old-fashioned. Everything me do, me old-fashioned, dad. You know, so me not see no style where I like. No, sir. No, sir. Big up all of the younger youth, them way have their mindset to do what they want, do respect. Do the right thing. You hear me? I want to know. Me not really want to know. Me I talk to you know. Me can't hold you know and beat you know. Me not beat, not even my own youth that me not lick. Because I get about 14 people and me not beat you. All when them grandmother and them mother tell me say them want one and them want two. But sometimes some of them they run and all I hear them argument there and then look for me and I shove up their mouth and granny. Because they know me not lick them, lick my youth, you know, daddy. And watch her, you know. No man ever go on like they want to come. No man ever go on like they want to come. Put the man on my picnic, you know, brother. Veteran is not a bad man, you know. You don't know to. Me is a defender. You see, fit me picnic. Put your hand on my picnic, you know. Because I have to tell you what we do. I'm a picnic that. And them little thing there, you know. Yes, small little slight or some little reality, you know, veteran and just shoot out them thing to the people, you know, because it's a TV, you know, you're a veteran TV, and a TV is, you know, so you just call in the people, you know, hear that program, you turn on, reality talking here, you know, history talk, yeah, man, I tell you, man, yeah, man, so as me I said, China, man, is, you know, I don't know me, you know, see it, and right now, Mr. Anjo, our Prime Minister, Anjo, Mr. Anjo, Honorable, Mr. Honorable, let me address the man properly, daddy. Because he's a youth of grand, me grow with the number full of manners. Mr. Honorable Anjo, holness. Good day, boss. Maybe which part you there now a good night? Good night, same way. A good midday too, you know. My Prime Minister, but you hear me? Anyway you're there. Pick up yourself, my Prime Minister. I never meet you in person yet. But I done enough meeting. And I check you in. You see me? Watch out now. Mr. Andrew Warren is our Prime Minister. Now this is Chinaman veteran and you know I not grow the thing. See me I put out my hand there. Me I beg your money, boss. Just like all the veteran would have seen anyone I'm bridging uptown. I ask them for your money, come and ask me for things to you know. Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew, me I beg your money, boss. God know, me I beg your money as my Prime Minister and as a friend and as a father and as a brother. Me I beg your money, boss. Anytime you're ready. 568 94 97. Be serious. If you give me your money, man, it would highly I appreciate it Mr. Prime Minister, me I beg you our money. I first me ask you for something. In the name of God, I hope you get this. This serious. Me I beg the Prime Minister money. Then when I go uptown with you and say, me see anyone of my brethren, them me see uptown, me beg them my money. See all my soldier brethren, me beg him my money. My police friend, me beg him my money. Me see me immigration brethren, me beg him my money. Me beg any man of money, cause you know, me no rob people. I'm not a criminal. You know them way them we ask you for something. Tell me now, daddy. Respect. One day that time me check you, me no vex. Cause me tell you know people, anyhow, I was a man, me have things. I give away me riches. So Mr. Andrew, big up yourself, I beg your money, boss. See? 5, 6, 8, 94, 97, I'm a 7th that boss. A mad thing. Big up on yourself, world. Veteran TV. Me not say nothing more about it.